Have you been praying, but hearing nothing from God? Have you ever prayed and wondered why God stayed silent?
What if his silence was never rejection?
What if God was preparing something bigger than you imagined?
Many people give up one day before their breakthrough.
Even Abraham waited. Joseph waited in prison.
David waited before becoming king.
And Jesus himself spent years preparing before his ministry began. God's delays are not God's denials.
Because faith grows in waiting.
Character is built in hidden seasons.
Seeds grow underground before anyone sees them.
God often works where human eyes cannot.
But waiting is difficult. Especially when life feels unfair.
Maybe you're praying for healing.
Maybe you're praying for your family. Or perhaps you're asking God for direction. Don't stop praying. Because heaven hears every whisper.
Psalm 27 says, "Wait for the Lord, be strong and take heart." God has not forgotten your name. He knows your tears.
He knows your fears.
And He knows exactly when the answer should come. Trust His timing more than your understanding.
Because God's plan is always perfect. And one day, you will understand why you had to wait.
But there is one final truth that changes everything.
You were waiting for God. He was walking beside you all along. If you believe that, write amen and share this message with someone who needs hope today.